YouTube? It is your boy Lundu underscore SA, the most chilled, and we're back at it again. Time around, we're dropping on YouTube like crazy, boys. I know it's been a minute, but we're back at it again. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Today, boys, we're here at Amber Mall. Please show them, dog. We're here at Amber Mall. Yo, I know it's been a minute since I've dropped on YouTube. Yeah, man. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. So we're just gonna be, walking around. Get to know people here. And see the vibe. And by the way, this is my hometown, boy. This is my hometown. So make sure that you all niggas step in, subscribe, like, comment, share. So without wasting any time, let's go. Yeah, why are you laughing? Yeah, so what? How are you? I'm good. Welcome. Okay, I don't know what's so fun. Do I look funny? Oh, Raphael. What's your name? Are we on camera? Are you camera shy or are we on camera? Oh, you're not camera shy though. What's your name? Sanel. Nice to meet you. Now, my name is Lou Ndume. I'm a YouTuber, as you can see. You know, I'm new here. I'm from Cape Town. Yeah, so I'm trying to just get to know people, get to know the place. So, like, oh, Extension 22. Mm. Okay, so look, now, I'm gonna make like that. Look, I know you. I know you camera shy now, but I'm gonna make this simple for you now. Yeah. Since I'm getting to know people here, can I also get to know you? Yeah. Can I have your tent? I'm getting to know the experience here. Probably maybe next time when I come back here, I can go out on a date or something like that. I'm getting to know people. It's not like anything too crazy, you know. Yeah. So what's happening today? What are you guys doing? Uyajola leya. Ungayikhohlwa mfethu. Uyajola? Your friend? Mm. No. When do you have a man? Don't lie. Yeah. Okay, but then let's not take it there. I'm gonna hit you up, ne? Nice to talk to you, ne?
Bye, guys.
Yeah, tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Hi, how are you? Ngiyaphila nami. Oh, my name is Luntu, ne? So what? Kunjani? Oh, I'm a YouTuber, no? I'm vlogging, ne? And stuff. The camera shy. Make sure you guys don't mind the cameras in here. Awucabanga kanjalo. Welcome. Promise. Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Luntu, ne? Please tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just say subscribe. Look, it's not even free promo or anything. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Angithi ngiyacela.
Hi, guys. Subscribe to Lutu's YouTube channel.
Danko. Thanks, ne? You have a nice day, ne? Sharp sharp. Nah, boy, boys, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's empty. But let me ask this couple. Let me ask this couple. Sanibona, Hotman. Kunjani? Sharp. Hotman, nekupela advice, man. Any relationship. Get Hotman, eh? Ginzang Hotman. But not that money, oh, I'm a YouTuber, dog. Like, I'm just pushing YouTube. Yeah, Hotman. So, kupela relationship advice. What's the thing na limo tune? But, ish. Yakawate, that's why. Yeah. It starts with me, actually. Damn. Word of the day, Chad. Be loyal to yourself. Thank you, man. Word of the day, Chad. Be loyal to yourself. it's not so busy here, but the day is still long. Let's hop inside and see what we can find. But I've been walking around, honestly. I won't lose. But let's see. Excel, man. Excel. Hi. Hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm here. This is like my daily life. I'm a vlogger. How are you? Yeah, I'm just actually here to check the products because I see after you, man. Sanbonan. Sanbonan Ninjan. So my name is Luntune. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. No, listen, hear me out. Hear me out. It's a queer, boys. It's a queer. Let's move, let's move. Let's operate. I'm a YouTuber, by the way.
Ah, what?
Hey, let's get
Yeah.
this one. I'll tell you say it again.
Yeah, translate it.
Okay.
When I
Look, hey, man. Ska, man. Ish, man. So look, I'm a YouTuber now. How are you?
come post
Bo,
it.
nang kaso nah, boys. Ish, I mustn't be too handy, boys. I was too handy there. I touched too much there. But anyways, it's cool. Remember this underwear is bad. Wait, I'm looking for the Spider-Man one, boys. Let me see. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. You know, I used to have this underwear. I'm gonna lie to you, dog. So whoever wants to make things work out for us, ngangithengela lama under lawa. I'll be more than grateful. Let's go, dog. Let's bounce. Let's bounce. Let's bounce. I'm fun. Record. Sanbonan. Ninjan. Yabo. So I came here to just visit and experience. Yeah, yabo Njuguti. How is the place? No, I'm actually a streamer, like a YouTuber. Like I'm a streamer. This is my daily life. I work. This is my work actually. Awuko Krasi. She looks beautiful, Chad. Like today is like, is it day three? Day three or two? Day three. Cape Town. There's a strike here. Oh, my timing was bad. But I'm still gonna come back here because like I've seen there's this other place, but it's cool. Is this Kosi? It's Kosi what's what lifestyle? Yeah. My bro took me there, we ate nyama and stuff, yeah, bro. Yeah. So I wanted to know if there's a Kota place or something that I can go to. Recommendations. What is it? Kokoriko.
In front of the agent garage.
Oh, that engine garage that we saw there. Oh, okay. This was a wrong timing basically. So when can I come for me to just
Okay,
do my work?
starting from tomorrow. Okay, let's say starting from
I'm leaving actually like Sunday. Sunday I'm going back to Cape Town. My my flight is okay. Can I get your numbers? No, it's Agiri. You recommending a place for me. He's my bro. We connected. Like I know him. He's doing skits and whatsoever. So you don't know skits. You don't know skits. You watch TikTok videos, most. You don't watch TikTok videos. You don't watch reels. Comedy skits. He's doing that. Yeah. So we want to collab. Like he wants to put me on. Okay, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Can I get your numbers? So if I call, how will I know it's you who's picking up?
Hello, this is speaking. Can I speak to Precious? I'm always here.
Okay, but I'm gonna save you the store number is
Just say
Precious.
Ackerman.
Nah, Precious.
Yeah, ufuna ungifana lebusuku bangitshela ngomstrip.
Why would I even call you? Why would I call you? So zero what?
17.
Oh, Chat,
Yeah.
she's really giving me the Akaman's number 017.
Bantwana bafuna zami.
You taking me to the place, right? On weekend.
Nini, ngoba mina I'm always
Or
here.
recommending
This
the
is where I
place.
live.
This is where you live.
Mm.
Yo,
I
9 to
stay
5.
here, yes.
Damn. How was it? How was the 9 to 5? How was it treating you?
She's very bad. Ngiyabona nje ngikhathele, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Mm.
But you're probably gonna be
I'm-
fine because you're earning something at the end of the day.
Yeah,
Zero what?
017.
017. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. My name is Luntu, by the way. Yeah.
Bani?
Luntu.
Luntu.
Yeah.
Oh.
Check me on
I'll check you
all
on
socials. TikTok. Actually TikTok. Luntu underscore SA. Ne?
I'll hire you.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, just respond.
No problem. Ne? That's a W. That's a W for me. Bye bye. Hey yo boys, we've reached the end of the video. As you saw, we got some young W's, a couple of L's, but more than anything, it was so fun. Thank you for staying tuned. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like, make sure that you comment down below. We're out here, boys. It is your boy Luntu underscore SA, the most chilled. Yes, sir.